Okay, let's continue with part 2 for Unit 10 in your Smart Choice 2 books. Let's skip the reading, skip the listening, and we'll do the reading page together. Okay, so let's do the reading called Perfect Storms. Okay, Adventure Vacations. Okay, so first, before you read, look at the pictures and answer the questions. Okay, so let's look at the first question. Have you ever seen a tornado? Okay, I have never seen a tornado. And what information can you get from the map? Okay, so you can see where in America, where in the United States, the tornadoes are. They call it Tornado Alley. Okay, that area of the U.S. has tornadoes. Okay, so perfect storms, adventure vacations. Do you want to be a storm chaser? Do you want to experience the thrill of running after a tornado? Do you want to feel the power of the wind and the rain? Then an adventure with perfect storms could be just right for you. We operate tours in Tornado Alley, the area between the Appalachian and Rocky Mountains in the U.S. where tornadoes are most common. Why do you need to go storm chasing with us? Why not just go with some friends? Well, here's why. Storm chasing can be extremely dangerous. When you don't do it right, you could get seriously hurt. Many beginner storm chasers are injured every year because they don't take precautions and they don't know enough about tornadoes. That's why it makes sense to go with the professionals. And the professionals who work at Perfect Storms are the best in the business. Our team is experienced and knowledgeable, and our drivers keep their eyes on the road. We plan our tours in the spring and summer during tornado season. However, it's impossible to guarantee a tornado sighting because weather conditions will change. We're very good, but we can't predict the weather. So you might not see one at all, or you could be lucky and see quite a few. But either way, we guarantee the experience is electric. Okay? So Dan Walker was one of our satisfied clients. Here is what he wrote to us. When my friends told me about your storm chasing tours, they were so excited. I thought, it can't be that good. But now I know it is that good. It was the most amazing experience I've ever had. Choosing to go with you guys at Perfect Storms was the best decision. You are simply the best. All right. Okay, so if you want to see the tornadoes, right, you can go with this group, okay, adventure vacation, and see a tornado. All right, so for part 2, what kind of text is it? Okay, is this a news article, an advertisement, a geography textbook article, or a blog? Okay. So it looks like this is kind of an advertisement, right, to do this vacation with this tour group. Okay, they're called the Perfect Storms, okay, tours. All right, and then for part 3, answer the questions. Why is it better to chase storms with professional chasers? Okay. Because storm chasing can be dangerous, right? So you have to take precautions. You have to be careful. Okay, and the Perfect Storms people, they are professional, right? They have knowledge about tornadoes. Okay, so it would be safer to go with them. What can happen to beginner storm chasers? Okay, beginner storm chasers can get seriously hurt. Right? They can get hurt or injured. Why might it be impossible to see a tornado with perfect storms? Okay, because they can't predict the weather, right? Weather conditions can change. And why did Dan Walker choose perfect storms? Okay, he chose it because his friends told him about the tour. And they were excited, right? His friends told him about it, and they were excited to try it. Okay. so do you want to go on an adventure with perfect storms? Oh, I think storm chasing could be really exciting. I agree. It sounds amazing. I think it might be too dangerous. Okay, so what do you think? Does it sound like something exciting or dangerous to chase these storms, these tornadoes? Okay, what do you think? All right, and then for the last page, we'll take a look at the speaking page. Okay, extreme natural events quiz. Okay, so if you can, do this with a partner. Okay, so choose 2 extreme natural events and write 5 clues to describe each of them. Okay, leave the most obvious clue to the end. Okay, so write 5 sentences about a natural event. Okay, and then you guys can put the answer down at the end. So for example, okay, this event has happened more than once in this country. This event is always very loud. It takes place in the mountains. You can see smoke when it happens. Okay, very hot material comes out of the mountain when this happens. Okay, what is it? Okay, you know, the answer is a volcanic eruption. Okay, so I'll make one and then you guys can guess what it is. Okay, so this event usually happens in the summer in this country. Okay. This event happens near the sea. Okay. So it rains a lot and there's a lot of wind during this event. And let's see. Also, it happens when the ocean gets warm, right? And the air is hot. Okay, and can you guys guess what it is? Okay, so it's either a typhoon or a hurricane. Okay, so can you guys make some sentences like that? And then have your partner guess what it is. Okay, so go ahead and write down those sentences. Okay, so when you finish this page, you guys make some sentences here about an extreme natural event, right? And then write down what it is. Okay, and then when you finish that, you guys can take a few minutes to do it. When you're finished, we can check your answers for the homework. Okay, so let's go to page 58 in the workbooks, and we can check your answers. Right. Okay, vocabulary, part 1, number 2. Okay, so it's a strong wind that spins in a circle and destroys things in its path. Okay, that's H, a tornado. Okay, 3, it's a large cloud of black dirt moving across the sky. Okay, dust storm. It makes the ground shake and the buildings sometimes fall. Okay, earthquake. It happens in the winter when a lot of snow falls down the side of a mountain. Okay, avalanche. It is a large ocean wave that sends water onto the land. Tsunami. It happens after it rains a lot. The water and rivers and lakes get high. Okay, flood. It happens when a hot melted liquid called lava pours down the sides of a mountain. Okay, volcanic eruption. All right, we'll check your answers for page 59. Okay, we'll start with the language practice, part 1. Okay, part 1, number 2. Walter speaks Portuguese very well. He may speak French too. Mei Ling didn't come to soccer practice. She might be sick. Grace goes to the mall every day. She must like to shop. Kent fixes computers. He could help you with your broken laptop. Melissa wears a wedding ring. She can't be single. Okay, part 2. Number 2, Leah didn't come home from school today. Okay, E, she may be at the basketball game. 3, Olga rode her bike to work today. Okay, B, that can't be her car in the parking lot. Larry bought some flowers for his wife. Okay, A, it could be her birthday. I can't see lights in Rick's house. Okay, he must be at home. Oh, sorry, I can see lights in Rick's house. Okay, he must be at home. Okay, part 3, number 2. I'm not sure if I will go to the movie. Okay, so I might not go to the movie. Okay, 3. They just called from the store. I'm not sure. I'm sure they aren't home. Right, so they can't be at home. 4. I'm sure Jenna went to the mall. She must be at the mall. Maybe the class is not free. The class might not be free. I'm sure Laura isn't at work. She's in the hospital. Laura must be in the hospital. Maybe Erica will go scuba diving. Erica might go scuba diving. Okay, and we'll take a look at the last page for page 60. Okay, we'll start with part 4, correcting the sentences. Okay, let's look at part 4, number 2. Okay, so it might be an earthquake. Okay, for 3, you could say, oh, she may speak Portuguese, or maybe she might speak Portuguese. Either one is okay. May or might is okay. Either one is fine. Okay, 4, they might not be French. They might not be French. 5, he must work in a gym. And 6, she might not like this perfume. Okay, part 5, number 2. Okay, so the man is carrying 2 cameras. Okay, so he must like to take pictures. He must like to take pictures. The older woman and the man are sitting with a young woman. Okay, they could be her parents, right? They could be her parents. The young woman is reading an English-French dictionary. Okay, she must be learning French. 5, the young woman is wearing a business suit and carrying a briefcase. She can't be on vacation, right? She can't be on vacation. All right, so that's it for Unit 10. Okay, if you guys have any questions about the speaking test, go ahead and text me on my Kakao. Thank you, and I'll see you on the video calls soon.